Hi, my name is Mrs. Jewett. Welcome to our second module. You survived the first one, so congratulations. We're now working on cell processes. And a cell process is something that a cell does using the organelles that we have previously learned about. So you're going to take the information about atoms and chemical reactions and apply that to what's happening inside of cells. The first thing is cell membrane. And you learned a little bit about that in the organelles, but in here we're going to do a lot more detail on that because it's pretty important for how cells move things in and out. So once you learn about how that membrane works, you'll learn about how things move in and out of cells, and that's called cell transport. Sometimes they use energy to do that, and sometimes they don't. So we'll learn about lots of different types of things that do that. There's one lab that we do in this module that's really cool. It's using gummy bears. So make sure when you get to that you give plenty of time to get that lab done. Usually it needs to sit overnight. So if you start the activity the day that it's due, you're going to run out of time. We also have cell division, and that includes replicating DNA. So in order for cells to divide, they have to first make a copy of the DNA that's in the nucleus so that each new cell has its very own copy of DNA. Once you've done that, then the rest of the cell can divide. So we're going to talk about both the process of DNA replication and cell replication or cell division. Biology is the only subject where replication and division mean the same thing. So if you could please make sure to go through and right down there, click the next button to make sure that you read through the standards that we're going to cover in this module, and then get started on your first activity. Thanks so much for watching this video and have a wonderful day.